Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is Monday, May 22nd of 2023, and we are back for yet another stream. We're going to be continuing to work on my terrible TypeScript project. Helmet Wearer, that's a great name. Thank you for the follow, welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Oh, my hair's a little... Do you see my headphone lump from my hair? Right there. Bloop. That's from sitting in meetings today. We also have this to replay. Anirula. Oh, did it not work? I clicked the button. Hello? Streamlabs? But why? Now it's going to play twice. Watch. Anyway, I will just read it out loud. Here, we can show it on the screen over here. Anirula has gifted a sub to the Dev Panda. Welcome to Subdom, the Dev Panda. Oh, I moved the wrong window back. My bad. So here's your button before the stream even started. I don't know why Streamlabs being dumb. Inflation Epoch, thank you for the follow. Welcome. But yeah, let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we can jump through everything. We did not get very far last time because I spent like 2 hours grumbling at TypeScript stuff, but we got it working. You've read it as Inflation Peach? Okay, yeah, I can see that. That works too. Marsha was first today. Hello. Meat Sauce is also here. How you doing? Anirula is here, but did not talk in chat, but that's cool too. Pandox is also here. Welcome back. Steve Bandito, good to see you again. New project, yes. We're porting my game to TypeScript so that my partner can play it on her phone. What's the metal sound? I have fidget toy. Sorry, I should not fidget with this fidget toy because it is loud. But it is also fun. Okay, I'll put that over there. Then we will go to the bubble wrap one instead. Yep. Helmetware says, looks like I used some of your projects in my everyday life and had no clue. Yeah, a lot of people do. So that's cool. Glad you enjoy them, or hate them, or however you feel about them. Yeah, you use them at least, so that's something, I guess. Faux Banana, welcome to the stream. Hello. Inflation Epoch, how you doing? Hello. The piercings? No, I don't know any piercings. I don't have any piercings at the moment. Vinny KME's also here. Hello. Compiler TV says, are you shiny hunting in the middle right there? Yes. This is a really annoying one to shiny hunt. Fuck. See, it missed. But sometimes it'll still make its way over to me. I'm trying to get that 3-headed dragon thing called Hydreigon. But I've been pretty unlucky so far. This has been quite a long time. Yeah, usually I get these within like a 20-hour period, but this one's going on like 30 plus. So, it goes. Foo Banana says, started looking around for the source of the sound. Oh no. Oh no. Where's says at the moment? What do you mean? For my piercings or for? I'm smarter child. I have forgotten what you have said. In a posh voice says, so how is maintaining the Python stuff now that you're only using TypeScript forever? Well, I don't know. Posh. I don't know why Posh is British now, but I don't think I'm gonna be using TypeScript forever. I think this project will. I'm hoping this will only last a few streams. If it goes on longer than that, I will probably burn out and not finish it. Haha. Yeah, because that's how other projects of mine go. But yeah, for instance, let me show you what we've got so far. Actually, I've learned to do this in another tab and then delete the tab, because otherwise the thing shows annoying stuff there. All right, look, this is a Ken game. Ta-da! You can click on the menu button, and it opens up this dialog box where you're supposed to be able to click these, but they're not clickable yet. And you're supposed to be able to unclick this, but it doesn't go away. Because apparently whoever decided to spec the modal for HTML did not think about it. Like literally the only thing. Like escape does what I want. But why does not escape do that? Why does click out not do that? Real pain in the butt. But No burnout allowed. Yeah. Meansaw says, how do you feel about GitHub's new code search? It fucking sucks. Their new code view is, I hate it. It wastes so much of my space. And it breaks the window finder and all sorts of other stuff. It's very annoying. In fact, I've user scripted it so that it still lets me use built-in find on my work laptop. So fancy much? Wow. Yeah, this is very clearly doing what it's supposed to do. Yep. Vinny Kami says, do you ever really burn out? I haven't seen that happening in the last 2 or 3 years. I mean, there's definitely projects that I have that are in progress that I don't think I will ever finish. Like this project. I don't think this project is ever going to get finished. Yeah, especially because most of the goal of this project, fucking 2 years ago. The goal of this project was to make a plugin based linter that was fast, but I don't know, certain other things sort of does this faster, but yeah, I don't know, this is probably not gonna happen. Yeah, ignore this. This is one of my customers that I'm part of their GitHub org, so I see all of their billing issues. But don't worry about that. Helmware says, if we redesign HTML and browsing the web, a lot of problems would go away. I don't know that that's strictly true, but this is like a newish feature. The modals dialogue, the dialogue element is relatively new, and show modal is relatively new. They just didn't think about it. Like, there's no close button. That should have been like, well, I mean, yeah, you can build your own close button, but I feel like it should have been built in. It should have been easier, but I don't know. Farron King, welcome. How you doing? But yeah, Steven Mendito. Yeah, don't worry about that. That's my customer. Although they haven't paid me yet. Speaking of haven't paid me yet, like, I gotta bug that other company about not paying me. They've now had 2 months of free. No, 3 months of free because I turned them on in January. Wait, did I turn them on in January? No, I turned them on in March. They have 2 months free. But anyway, Awesomeizer, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Vinny Kami says, unrelated, is there any perf work planned for Flake 8 soon? It really seems to struggle on one of our bigger code bases. Are you on Flake 8.6 yet? If you're not on Flake 8.6, then you probably don't have the most recent perf work that I did. And if you're not on Python 3.10, you're going to be missing some of the other perf work. And if you're on Flake 8 less than 6 and on macOS or Windows, then you're missing a bunch of Flake 8 perf work. But most of the performance problems with Flake 8 aren't actually Flake 8, they're the plugins. Because Flake 8 now executes plugins faster than the plugins can execute themselves. Like, Flake 8 makes PyCode style faster than PyCode style does, somehow. Marshall says, speaking of that, I hate things with no button to send text or search. Like, if I'm lying in bed and can't reach the mouse or the keyboard, it can be annoying. Yeah. Oh, it can reach the mouse but not the keyboard. Oh, yeah. But Tony GG, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. But yeah, I need to bug these people about paying me. You are on 6. I mean, Bugbear's a little bit slow, but yeah, that's the only plugin you have added right now. 3.11 will be slightly faster than 3.10, but yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what to do with you there. If you're Intel Python on M1, it'll be slow. If you're ARM Python on M1 with a decent number of cores on macOS, it should go real fast. AltSysRQF, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Pay the man, yeah, they owe me some money. Kedin says, are we learning vanilla TypeScript together? Yeah, indeed. I satisfied, hello. I satisfied says, oh, I didn't realize we didn't get that far last time. Shit. We did not get very far. Yeah, make sure you're on Intel Python if you're on M1. Okay, so I wanted to figure out if we can make dialogues work good. So let's figure that out first. Menu.typescript. Yeah. So I think this is just not allowed via the spec, but we're gonna try it anyway. Oh. Interesting. This does target the dialogue, but where is current target? Oh wait, I logged current target. Oh, we can check where the position is. Oh, because it clicks on the margin of. Oh, that's clever. Dot menu dot. What is the position stuff? It's like offset top. 314 e dot top. Oh. Yeah, the X is here. Offset left. Okay, yeah. So this is outside of the positions here, so we can use that. Is there a fancy way for that? Determine if point is within bounding box of a script. Is there a fancy thing for this? Oh, this is literally just the math. This is the math again. But this seems maybe not with HTML elements. Within HTML element JavaScript. You want to add a close button, this is the easiest way. Button on click equals, no, we're not going to do any on click garbage. We'll just put a little button in it. Pick a point is a particular area. Well, we're not on canvas, but this is canvas. Element from point. That seems not what I want. Seems similar, but it seems slow. Get bounding client rect? What does that do? Oh. Get yeah. Dumb rect. What the fuck is this supposed to do? Riley O'Bor says I'm learning to play the organ when I'm not writing code. Is that a penis reference? Are you talking about your organ? Or do you actually Or are you actually the organ? A DOM wrecked. Okay, so not all that useful. Netlocks, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Why aren't you using Windows 11 Pro? Because I have Windows down here, and I like to be able to click around on them to get to the particular one that I'm interested in. And Windows 11 does not have nice things. So yeah, that's why. Oh, fucking A. Oh shit, wait, has there always just been one extra pixel on both sides? That's annoying. Did that fix it? No, that made it worse. Now there's 2 pixels on both sides. Wow, that's so unsatisfying. Okay, anyway. Fixed. What a horrible combination. Windows 11 is all you need. You okay there? Robin, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Robin used to stream. That's such a mean way to put it. All right. It doesn't, Riley. Stop spreading misinformation. Go away. Please no spammerino. Okay, well we're gonna have no chatters left in a few minutes at this rate. Aquafunkalistic Booty Rap says, I wanted to hear what they came up with next. Well, in 10 minutes, they might be back. We'll see. They're not banned. They're just timed out. Nelix says, I had questions, but thank you. Wait, what was your question? The game architect says, I had to change to Windows 11 because Windows 10 doesn't let you change the screen brightness. What? Mine does. Or do you have like a special laptop that doesn't have the right drivers? Helmetware says, my current job as a Python dev is the first in a Windows shop. If it wasn't for Docker, I would have quit. Nice. Alcafunkalistic Voodoo App says, subscribes to Windows 11 facts, yeah. Steven just says, why are you using Windows 10? We can just use Windows 3.1, right? Right? Which backdoors? Oh yeah, that would have been kind of funny. Microsoft notably not involved with the government, says Rage Cage, yeah. They were clearly having a very, very, very poor attempt at trolling. Use a desktop. What do you mean by screen brightness? Do you mean like the yellowing thing that's on that Macs really like? What's that thing called? Spizzy Pie says Windows 11 plus WSL does everything you can dream. Is this what happens when I put TypeScript in the title? Does I just get Windows 11 facts? There's no option to change brightness. I don't know what that means. Nowhere says, did anyone else get the error right to security chip for the Windows update last week? I don't know what that means. I mean, I can guess what it means, but I don't know. I don't think I got that one. But I'm also not on Windows 11, so I don't know. Okay, so what do I want to do to this? I think I'm going to make a show modal.ts that does all of the necessary parts here. Screen brightness for the display, so you dim the screen and it gets darker. But that's usually not in software. That's usually in hardware. Some screens have a brightness, but most don't. Unless they're laptop screens. Laptop screens usually have it in software, or have a software interface to the hardware. But usually that's not OS thing. But maybe you have a special monitor. I don't know. Aquafunkalistic Booty Wrap says I only shut up because the title said TypeScript. Export function show modal HTML dialog element. Wait, how do we know when a modal closes? HTML dialog element. There must be an event, right? There must be an event. Events. Cancel. Dismisses with the escape key. Right when the dialog is closed, whether the escape key, the close, or by submitting a form with method equals dialog. Okay. So so we'll use the close event. We'll use the close event to unset everything, but let's do oh, this should be not E, because I'm using E for events. That makes more sense. How did I figure this out? Get client bounding rect, but I feel like you don't have to do that. I can use client top. I don't know how that works. Wait, that's not right. Alright, fine, we'll just use this then. L.get bounding client rect. If x less than get bound. Oh my god. I'm getting wrecked with typing this. Rect. If x less than rect dot x or x greater than rect dot x plus rect dot width. If the x is outside and the y is outside, then L dot close. I'm sure that's how this works, right? Gonna find name E. Oh, because I did fat arrow. If I name E, it shouldn't have been cut. Oh, right here. Wait, no, fat arrow should be fine. It just looks odd when you use a virtual machine for coding, but why? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong, Spizzy Pie? Looks fine, right? There's no problems. Uni Scythe says, "What Jamaican? If you do bang bang." Oh, did the shiny thing stop? Did we get a shiny? No way. Oh, we got a shiny. Oh, look at that. Let's see what one it was. Hopefully it's the one I want. Little detour. Thank you, Unknown Error, for pointing that out. Did anyone see which one it was? I hope it's the dragon, and I hope it's not the fucking Zubat. Oh shit! It's the dragon. Look at that. Let me make sure it doesn't have a move that can kill itself. Hi, dragon sword shield. And it is level 68. Ah, off by 1. It knows Outrage, Nasty Plot, Dragon Rush, and Hyper Voice. Outrage can cause confusion, so that could kill itself. So we're gonna try and put it to sleep, and hopefully not die to Hyper Voice. And then we're gonna catch it in my favorite. Oh, it's gonna match. It's gonna match my favorite ball, the dusk ball, the dark ball. Perfect ball for this one. The Gamer Tech says, my favorite thing about Windows 11 is how they make you use OneDrive by default, which will fill your emails, so they try and encourage you to pay for emails. Now they put social media widgets that pop up with a power button. What? Oh, that's really annoying. My favorite thing about Windows 11 is that once I open a new video editor for 1 second, I automatically got an email about it from Microsoft. That's so funny. Getting wrecked by typing wrecked? Yeah. Winget rm Microsoft.OneDrive. Does that actually work? Does TypeScript infer types so you leave an untyped decorator? Is it implicitly any? I've set it to error on anything that's not good. Not the implicits, except for implicit return values. So I think my TypeScript would complain. But yeah. Are you hacking the Nintendo Switch? No. If you run the little command, run the little command that's by the screen there, and you will find the answer to that. But now I need to update my spreadsheet, so give me a sec. my shiny Pokemon spreadsheet. Oh, that was weird. We got a high dragon in sword. Gotta mark it here. Oh, and then we gotta pick the next one to do. The best part about Windows is obviously that typing Python 3 opens up the freaking Windows door. Oh yeah, I hate that so much. I hate that so much. Very, very annoying. Who are we gonna do next? I think we'll do Mineshow. Yeah. Because that one is one that I need. Oh, I need to do something. There's like some. I need to check a Pokemon somewhere, but I don't remember which one it is. Oh, Shiftry in my bag. Give me a sec while I play a little bit of Pokemon. Then we'll be back. I promise. I don't even do this. Oh, I can't see. R is to box it. Oh no, did they go into this box instead of the box where they're supposed to go? No. No. That's so annoying. Here, we're gonna move a box of these dudes out of the way. There was a time where I was trying to get that one shiny. You are all shiny, and then who else did we get shiny? Crafty. And one Golisopod. And Malamar? And Como-O. Then Hydreigon. Nope, Darmanitan also. Okay. This is the shiny box now. Okay, so the Shiftry is male. I need to record that in my spreadsheet. Where did my spreadsheet go? Shiftry is male. The Shiftry has gender forms, so I would like to get it in the other form. I need to get the Famale Oh, I need to check scissor also. Oh, scissor, I have famale, so I need to get male. I think that's all the ones I had to check. Okay, cool. So, who are we gonna get shiny next? I'll show you the little setup for this, and then we'll go back to the TypeScripting. All of the viewers left as soon as I played Pokemon. Okay, so the real viewers are here now. Challenge road, normal weather. Okay, so I'm gonna figure out the weather. Oh, that was weird. I pressed this button and it apparently the same keybind that I use is also used by Google Sheets for stuff here. No, not this. Hello, how you doing? Meat Sauce says favorite Pokemon game ever. I really liked Leaf Green. I also really liked Emerald. I also really liked Diamond. Or no, Pearl. Pearl, not Diamond. Diamond. Pearl is way better. I need to fly to the place that I'm going, which is here. Allen Road. You're a real boy as well. Winter Squirrel says Emerald was so good. Yeah, Emerald was great. Oh, actually, is it the right weather already? Normal weather. Perfect. I don't even have to change the weather. Okay, so now we gotta do this little manip. Where first we have to find the Pokemon I'm looking for. Should be right here. Maybe? Maybe? You're looking for Mindshell. He's down here? Well, you are Lycanroc. Not the one I'm looking for. Over here? What? Oh. I ran into the little rock. Resetting this is a little bit annoying. But yeah, I really like the Battle Frontier in Emerald, and I really liked the Sevi Islands in Fired Leaf Green, and I really liked Poke Radar in Diamond and Pearl. Those are kind of my reasons for those games. Also, the first game that I played a lot of was like Ruby and Sapphire, and so there's kind of just, I don't know, a special nostalgia, and Emerald was definitely the best of those three. Just from all the little quality of life improvements and like all the other stuff that got added to that. The fuck is this? Is a different area, right? Different area. There. Where is this damn Pokemon? Oh, there it is. Okay. We gotta figure out right where it spawns. It looks like is Emerald was truly peak Pokemon, says Isaac Writes Code. It was a pretty good one. It's a pretty good one. Onisai says my favorite Pokemon game is Silver. I don't know why, but it is. Oh. I actually played a lot of Blue and a lot of Yellow, but I did not play Gold, Silver, and Crystal until they came out again on Virtual Console. Okay, so we look carefully. Alright, so it is like right in the middle of these bushes. Alright, so now I gotta run into it and then run to set up the thing. And hope it doesn't kill me. It must be sleepy. Oh god, we're gonna die to a bounce. Okay, no, we're good. My favorite Pokemon is Pokemon Stadium. Ooh. I never played Pokemon Stadium. Okay, so then we need to open this up and invite other people to this raid that will never happen. Change the date to 1 day ago. So 1 day ago, but I'm also going to change it to 1 a.m. so that it stays more likely on this day. And go back into the game. Exit out of this. And then we're going to change the date 1 day forward. So that's back to the original date. And then we're going to move to the spot where it's supposed to spawn, and then we should be able to soft reset there. Bloop. Is this the OLED switch or the older one? This is the older one. I also have the OLED switch, but I don't have any of my completed files on it. The only file that I have on my OLED switch is from my Twitch Rivals thing. Okay, so it should be right about here-ish. Hoping this works. If I get it wrong, I'll just reset. I feel like it's right about there. We're gonna try that. Hopefully that works. Then I should be able to reset the game. And then we'll get back to TypeScript. Okay. So we're hoping that just no hands goes into the battle here. You can get Pokemon Stadium on Switch. They've just released it in the N64 Virtual Console thing. Yeah, but I heard they made it not good or something for some reason that I can't remember. Like, I feel like they released it, but you can't use any of your own Pokemon or something like that. Okay, hopefully. Oh, perfect. Great. Okay, sweet. So now that this is encountering that automatically, I will plug in my Switch, and then we'll go back to, or my controller, and we'll go back to doing the code. And then press the reset button, and it should boot up a little bit. Loop, and then home, and then press this button. Cool. Then go back to this view. And I should be able to press B somewhere up here. And then do this. Oh, actually I wanna discard the changes here. Yeah, so I had to like manually do the changes for the last Pokemon because it's in a weird spot, so I have to like walk in a weird pattern. But I don't have to do any of those anymore, so I can discard the changes and now start the script. That should play the game for me. Sweet. Okay. All right, but anyway, back to this. Rebuild this. Refresh this. Oh, we didn't actually use our new method. Right. Source main. Source menu. Import show modal. What's up? What's up? Oh, I haven't done any CSS yet. It will be my passion, but I just haven't. There's zero CSS. We're working on functionality first. What? You're judging me so hard, but why? If I did CSS first, I'd waste a bunch of time as I refactored everything. What? You know it's true. I just have to re-CSS over and over and over. Where are you going? The basement? Why are you putting your pants up so high? Oh, we need to actually run show modal. Yeah, that's important. Coney, guys, thank you for the resub at 2 years. Thank you for the resub. I appreciate your continued support, and that gets you the fanciest new badge. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're having a great Monday or Tuesday. Belwana says, hello, poke grinding? Kind of. It's just kind of running. Would be interesting to use Tailwind? No, I'm not going to use Tailwind. Onisai says, what is Ken Squared? Well, it's actually this game called Ken, but I called my version of it Ken Squared to avoid getting taken down for trademark violation, and then I got taken down for trademark violation. So, Lamau. And I was in college and did not have money to deal with trolling trademark lawyer. So I just took down my game from the App Store. Lovekey, thank you for the resub at 4 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well and appreciate your continued support and you stopping by. But I will show you the game very quickly. It is a game that is very similar to Sudoku in that there cannot be the same number in the same row or column. Is it gonna reboot? I don't know. Oh, yep, there it goes. So you can't have the same number in the same row or column. The difference between this and Sudoku is there are numbers and math symbols, and inside the cages, you will have the numbers. Oh, and if you double tap, mine fills out anything that's forced. So for instance, this 15x here could be either 3-5 or 5-3, and you can mark your selections here. This 8 times has to be 1 times 2 times 4 in some way or another. And some of the forcing things that you can use in this game are, if you see, well, let's do this one first. 1, 5, yeah. And 6 plus could be 1 plus 5 or 2 plus 4. It can't be 3 plus 3 because that would be the same number in the same row or the same column. Oops, this should be 1, 2, 4, 5, not 1, 2, yeah. And one cool thing that you can use is if you ever see a number or 2 numbers that are in a row or column that are the same number, then you won't be able to see this 1 and 5 anywhere else. So you know that this has to be 2 plus 4 in some way or another. We also could have eliminated the 5 because of this here. The other thing, well, I'll actually show you a solving one here. So 24x can only be 4x in this size. If you have 2, 4 here, that means this can't be a 4, so that it must be a 6. And then because that must be a 6, this must be a 4. This one, we know that it can't be 2, 4, and we know that it can't be 1, 5, so this has to be a 3. Means this has to be a 1. And you basically solve the puzzle by going through that and posting more and more things. But yeah. So you basically can inference out the rest of the puzzle by doing this. I've introduced a hard mode to my version of this, which doesn't give you the markers. You just have to do it all in your head, which is how I usually play, which is why I feel like this is I've turned my brain off for this because this is not the way that I usually play. But yeah. That's how the game works. This has to be 5. Oops. Oh no. 5 and then 4. And then this is 1, 2, 3 or 1, 6, 1. It can't be 1, 6, 1 because of the 1, 5 here. It must be 1, 2, 3 in some way, but we don't know the answer. Oh, but we have this here. The 3 has to be over here. This has to be a 2 then. This has to be a 1 then, and yeah, you solve the puzzle. It's a puzzle game. And the reason that I made this game in the first place, well, actually I was introduced to this game by my friend Melissa in college. And I basically sat down in my discrete math course and I was like, hey, I didn't buy the textbook. Do you want to be my friend? I will help you pass the class if you allow me to use your textbook. And she was like, yeah, sure. And then we would hang out and do homework and stuff. And she showed me this game, Ken, which at the time I think was in New York Times, ? And they had a website that would only have 1 set of puzzles. And I was like, well, I've done the puzzle. I don't want to wait 6 months for new puzzles. And so I made my own version of this. Lasalt, thank you for the resub at 21 months. Who says, hello, strangers. Hello. How you doing? Welcome back. Good to see you again. I hope that you're doing well, and I appreciate your continued support. Crazy Mug says, so killer Sudoku, but with more math. Yeah, kind of like that. Kaden Jarris, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. Metal Storm's also here. How you doing? Hello. I'm doing pretty well. Oh boy. Windows 11 guys back. Windows 11 facts are back. Cybergenic, how you doing? Hello. Constraint solving. Yeah, it's basically constraint solving. Can I download it? You can download the Android version by cloning the Git repository and building it. But others says, Sleepy Time, well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you again. Mindtooth is also here. This is like the message that you never want to see from anyone. If they're texting you. in Twitch chat, it's fine. But if somebody just sends you hi with a period capitalized, you're like, oh shit, I am in trouble. Something bad is happening. But welcome back. Good to see you again. Read on Cyan, welcome to the streams. Who says greetings with a period. Oh boy. There's another message you don't want to see. Why is everyone saying hello capitalized with a period? This is spooky. Okay, my blood pressure is already rising. But yeah, anyway, I wrote this in Android in like 2012. I ported it to Java, or ported it to Kotlin from Java in like 2018-ish. Mostly because I wanted to try out Kotlin. I didn't finish porting it to Kotlin, mostly because there's some of the stuff that I just wanted to rewrite entirely. Jamie Pratt! Thank you for the resub at 37 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. This is something that you do want to see in a text message. Whereas this is what you don't. That's what I assume you're going for. How you doing? Good to see you again. Neek, welcome to the stream. Who says hello, Colin Human, with a period. Terrifying. Okay, anyway, right. So we actually are going to use our function now, and if we build now, oh, we got an error. And it knew what my wait. What do you mean this is an error? Is this not how this syntax works? Transforming destructuring to the configured target is not supported. Okay. Can I use destructuring? What's the minimum browser that I need here? Chrome 58 should be fine. Edge 16 should be fine. I don't know about ES 2020. Firefox 57 should be fine. Node 12 I don't super care about. Safari 11 should be fine. So what the fuck? Can you tell me why? Tell me what's not supported. Really? Why does it not tell me? Well, I don't actually care about the destructuring, but that is a little bit annoying. Maybe we'll write it out the lazy way. Okay, anyway. Helmware says, hi, Anthony writes space code. I've been watching you for a long time. I've learned many things about how computers and Python work. Really appreciate it. Because I learned so much about computers, I found that I could also watch you live on Twitch. This makes things so much easier. Yeah, indeed. Android only, I use Windows Phone. This is such a obscure troll. Someone who somehow really likes Microsoft. Oh. Interesting. Why is it not showing the modal anymore? Oh, this song loops next. Why are we? Oh, because right. I got distracted by the shiny Pokemon. We need to actually call this at the end. And in theory, we need to remove the event listener, but we'll just try this first. Okay, refresh. Opens the modal. Nice. So the X was 397 and the Y was 228. Oh. Calzoon, hello. How you doing? You're immediately closing it? That's what I thought, but it was just that it wasn't opening at all in the first place. Yeah, so my bounding box is wrong. But yeah. Well, how you doing, Calzoon? El Cravo says Anthony posts TypeScript greater than good times walrus. What? No, I don't know what that means. But yeah, my bounding box is wrong. Because This should be or? If the X is outside or the Y is outside? Yeah. Or both. Yeah. So really, can do this. So now if I click outside, hooray! Hooray! Yeah, but now we have duplicate events. Right, so we gotta unbind, unclose, I guess. Or, hey, thank you for the hype train chat. I didn't even notice it happened. Congrats. Hooray. The other thing we could do is, since all of the elements are constant, we could just give them this behavior for all, like, we could take all modals and give them click with this and use target and yeah, we could do that. So we don't actually need this. Yeah, we don't need this special thing either. And then we can just use base show modal. Yeah. Mine modal click outside. Document.o. Node list. Do you think there's node list HTML dialog element? Do you think that's a thing? We'll probably just do this here. Have you tried Visual Studio Copilot? I have. You can read my thoughts on Copilot here. What the fuck am I doing? Node lists. Node list HTML dialog element. Console.lol. I don't expect that to be happy. Node list is not generic. But is it not? Node list of specific type, TypeScript. Oh, I want node list of? Why are those separate? Okay, cool, that seems to work. Or let L of Ls. L dot add event listener. Click. And because it is fat arrow, this should do the binding stuff correctly. But I need this. Hmm. 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 Is there for const? That feels like it should be a thing. All right. Parameter E implicitly has any type. Type node list of must have a symbol iterator method that returns an iterator. Can you not iterate over a node list? Well, that's weird. C4, hello, welcome. Says, oh, that's based. Yeah. TypeScript. This should work. Node list of iterator. Or of does not work with some DOM collections. When target is ES6. Iterators rely on symbols, and these are defined in ES6. "2015 has added support for node list of." Oh my fucking god. Sure the target is ES6 or higher. Or enable dash dash down level iteration? What the fuck? ES 2017 is surely newer than ES6, right? Can you just say I left my company yesterday? Gonna be taking a 1 week short break for transitioning to a new company. Nice, congrats. Griffinworks says, I see you're on a Microsoft issue tracker. Did you know? The fuck does this do? Downloading is TypeScript's term for transferring to an older version of JavaScript. Why does it think this is ES5? ES 2017 versus ES6. Which one is which? Oh. Yeah, what the fuck? This is newer than ES6. But if I set it to ES 2020, does that do what I want? No, it does not. Oh, fuck me. Without downlevel iteration iterable, a for of loop on any object is downloadable to a traditional for loop. What the fuck? Okay, well, we're gonna add it. True. Fuck my shit up, TypeScript. Still doesn't work. Does not improve compliance if symbol.iterator is not present. This still does not work. Let's see what Stack Overflow has to say. You need to set the target compiler to ES6 high for nodeless stuff to be iterable. Like, what happens if I set ES6? Is it because this is wrong? Why does that work? This is fucked. This is so stupid. Do I have to make a minimal reproduction now? God. Make a maximal reproduction, right? Yeah, this is clearly fake. No, this stuff and this. Two 695. Bug. Actual error message. Search terms. I found. Where was the issue that I already found? Two 695. Which claims to be fixed, however, version I tried. I reviewed the FAQ entries. Let's find a fucking FAQ. Oh my god. Oh my god. 2695 is not listed in here. Cool. Depression. What the fuck? I read the section about depression, chat. We got there. The dog Mocha, hello, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. Wait, node list is working, but node list of is not? Yeah. Just being honest. What did I review FAQ entries about? How do they expect anyone to actually fill this out? Sorry about all the dinging. Webster, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah. I have reviewed the FAQ entries about some things. I read the titles, but none of the content, none of them seem relevant. I'm gonna test on prior versions because I am lazy. Yep. Song's looping. Next. What the fuck? Why does this compile? None. Because this playground doesn't allow you to do DOM? Perhaps? I love the candidness. Well, I don't really know what they mean. Understand an AI. Would you consider adding such functionality to precommit? What the fuck would precommit do with AI? Precommit just runs tools. If a tool wants to use AI, by all means, go for it. But precommit doesn't have to do anything for that. Can it show me the actual TS config? Because I feel like this is missing the DOM stuff. I wish it could show me the actual TS config. There isn't a TS config. Can you do TS config as comments? No. Okay, so I can't actually link a TS config, so that probably means people are going to be mad. Unfortunately, I can't reproduce this in the playground because it does not have a setting for DOM. Here's a reproduction instead inline. There's a song. Oh, fuck. Okay, well. Now it asks for the code. Cool. Right. TS, not JS. Actual behavior. Ta-da. Hello? 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 You can put foods here. Whoa. Is this what Instagram showed you? Is that what it looked like on Instagram? It looks great. Yeah, I'll show you the food that Tina has made for me. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Bug report. This is the behavior in every version I tried. I reviewed the FAQ for entries about some things. I read the titles, but none of them seem relevant. I was unable to test this on prior versions because I am lazy. Fortunately, I can't reproduce in the playground because it does not have a setting for dumb. It has reproduction in line instead. Next behavior, sad face. Expected behavior, no errors. Nice. Halcyon says hello. Oh. What? Oh. Is this the capitalized greetings with periods that look spooky? Okay, here's the food. What would you say this food is, Tina? There we go. This is omelet over rice? Because I didn't hear you. Okay, so food time. I said hello. Oh, hello. Oh, I was talking to Tina. Yeah. She was off screen. Is the rice to give it structure? What's the sweetness? Oh. Okay. What's the sweetness? Sugar. Okay, we're eating food for a sec, so bear with me. Oh yeah, what time do you want to leave for the thing that you are leaving? Oh, 8? Okay. You want to be there at 8? Was that a yes or a no? Okay. Cool. Very good. Yeah? No? Actually, it's terrible. I'm kidding, of course. Anyway, so this is my dinner. Omelet over rice. How long did it take to shape the rice? Nice. Nice. It just looks very well shaped. I got a shiny on stream. I ran across the part repeatedly, several thousand times, until it encountered the shiny Pokemon. But yeah, welcome to the food and drink stream. Oh, I guess I only have water. I mean, water's fine, especially if you want me to drive. Okay, anyway, this seems fine. It also feels like it'll never get fixed, but I guess that's okay too. Mr. True, hello, welcome. Yeah. Why didn't the bot trigger for that one? Bot plugins. What did I call it? What is the smarts? Yeah, the AI. Oh, yeah. You would have said, "Is that Ubuntu?" But then it would have worked. How do I have a notification already? Did somebody already reply to this? No support for recent Python versions. I used this for... I used this the other day, so I think that's false. Also, maybe it didn't get released on PyPI. 205. Update path. Yeah, that looks fine. Did they change the PyCs again in 3.11 maybe? Wait, that installed, oh, the wrong thing. Recoil99, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, it seems fine to me. Yeah, they just suck at whatever they've done. Bad Marshall data. Compat.cpythons 3.11 PyC. Works fine for me. Just tried it on a 11 virtualenv. With success. Also probably the test pass, right? Yeah, virtualenv-tools. Is that the right repo? Yeah. I love when people are come in, hop in, are like, when do you expect sport to happen? It's like, you just didn't make a good bug report. When will this be supported? Got a new one for Griffinborg. Is there a timeline? That's so funny. Anyway, I ate my food minus the rice. Not a huge fan of rice. We'll eat it, but I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go fill up my water. I'll see you in a sec. All right, we are back. Okay, so if we can't use for of, I guess that means that we're going to use for each and cry a little. Els dot for each. Surely this will work, right? Surely this won't be a problem. Hooray! Okay, so now I should be able to do this. Wait, why is it still doubling? Oh, because I didn't delete the old code. I should be able to just do dialogue this now. Button.add event listener click. Need you anymore? I probably don't need the separate files, but hooray! Clicking inside here doesn't do anything. Nice. Okay. Cool. So that gets that working at least. Oh wait. Oh wait. I think 3.12 just got released. So maybe we're gonna take a break from the TypeScript. And oh shit. Oh, we gotta do a bunch of deadsnake stuff. God damn it. Okay, well, we'll come back to the TypeScript later. Okay, probably not the rest of this stream, but because the dead snake stuff is more important, and somebody's gonna be like, "Where's the 313 builds?" Blah. But okay, we're gonna do some dead snake stuff real quick. All right, so the problem is, I know there were a bunch of breaks between the current 312 and the nightly, so we are gonna do this by hand, the slow way. Python 3.12. Oh, do I have runbooks for this? Ruby junk. What is the warning message about in GitHub? One of my customers hasn't paid their bills. It's not my problem. I am just in the org, so I see their error messages, annoyingly. But that's fine. Runbooks, GitHub workflows main. No. Update.yaml. Okay, so I need to start by doing import upstream. This song is looping. Next. Unbox, import upstream. 3.12.0 beta 1. And then what does it do next? It does something somewhere. Then we gotta do all the manual changes. We do refresh patches. Yeah. We gotta do that on each thing. Ugh. That'll work. The beta 1 is where things get frozen. Oh. That means feature phrase. Oh, that means I get to make my YouTube video. Video idea. What's new in 3.12? That'll get a lot of views. What is new in 3.12? Maybe we'll look through it while it's building. And I can start making my list. Make my way downtown. Python 3.12 is at beta freeze, bang. We're changing the title of the stream. Ed Kyriakis, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Set today. Python 3.12 beta 0 for dead snakes and Python 3.13. Yeah. Cool. Wait, someone doesn't bother me about this later, because I'd rather get it out of the way. This is taking forever. I'm gonna review a pull request while this is going so that I can reduce my inbox count by 1. Oh, we wanted that tab. All these other ones can go away though. It now writes out and get ignored. Cool. Right, get ignore. Auto-generated by auto-generated automatically. What does virtualenv put in there? Created. Fucking A. Get remote add. Oh, now this is done, so now I am not pipelining well anymore. GitHub.com Ruby VF. What is the test actually doing here? I Much simpler text. Could run faster too. The John Mega. Hello. Thank you for the resub 13 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful Monday/Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? I feel like it's Tuesday for you. But welcome. Always a pleasure to have you stop by. You've been here forever. And we are good code changed like a ghosting while also doing this. Oh, I guess we can do the next part of this. Run books, refresh patches, Ubuntu, Jammy. Rainy day tomorrow. Hello. How you doing? Did you change jobs or are you still at Stripe? I haven't been at Stripe for more than a year. I'm at Century. Which is, I guess, similar, but... Right, so for this, I remember that we just did this. Oh, right, yeah, the test is wrong. What is it doing? I don't know what it's doing. Get rebase, continue. Exit 0. Created. What is this boom? Huh, interesting. Almost Tuesday in 2 to 3 minutes. Nice. Weekend was pretty bad. Mental health stuff. Mainly dysphoria. Ah, that's unfortunate. Well, I hope you're feeling better. This is so funny. Because pre-commit was added to CPython, now my scripts trigger pre-commit as well, which is interesting. Alright, git check out Ubuntu Jammy. We're gonna do get long author equals exactly me. Mark pi date time is guarded. Oh. Get long. 7? Oh, I did the wrong. We want 312 alpha 7? $312 alpha 7 to head. Wait, why does this say 311? Doesn't seem right. $2022. Yeah, that's not right. When was this? We can just do it by date instead. Joey Freshwater, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, Windows 11 Pro. Turn on BitLocker to make your PC unhackable. I don't think that's how that works. April 4th. So everything after April 4th is what we want. March. May. Okay, so this is the first one we need. Show this, get apply. Is the commit message for this. Okay, so we got that one. Merges, changelog. This one. Oh shit. We have to skip the git hooks because the Debian stuff doesn't work with it. Okay. Is that it? I feel like there was more than that. Maybe that's it. All right. I guess now we get to do our little gamble then. Prediction. Will the build succeed? Bet your stuff, chat. The first one rarely succeeds, and I'm a little wary of it, but it might. Might just work. Yeah. Purple Elf with the raid. How we doing, raiders? How was your stream? What were you working on? How are things going? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Let me do my little intro. My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python. Today we started by doing a little bit of TypeScript and found a bug in TypeScript, of course, as we do. All code is broken, as I like to say. But now we're working on deadsnakes because 3.12 beta 0 just came out. Some of the things that I maintain, I usually work in Python, are precommit, flake8, pytest, talks, deadsnakes, pyflakes, pyupgrade, and about 50 other things. Purple Elf says, I'm doing great. How are you? I'm doing well. Tom's on Twitch. Welcome to the stream. Purple Elf says, I'm upgrading my computer this week. Ooh, nice. Did you go through like do you have like a PC part picker link, or how did that go for you? Oh, I love building computers. I need to build mine at some point. I need to build another one at some point. My current computer, I built in, oh, this song's looping. I built in 2018 because I was streaming. This was right when I started streaming programming. I was streaming and my computer died in the middle of stream. And so I was like, oh, I guess I better buy new computer parts so that I could stream. Ordered a bunch of parts and put it together. And it's getting up there in age. I guess it's 5 years old now, so it's probably due for a little bit of an upgrade. Although, I don't know. It's doing decently well. It was fun. Didn't use PC part picker, but went for the 7900X and the 7900 XT. Oh, wait. You picked the same numbers. That's so cool. I actually don't know anything about I don't know anything about AMD. Unfortunately. I've always been Intel and Nvidia. Oops. But yeah. Flavio says, do you work full-time on open source? So the answer is no. I really don't get paid for my open source at all. My personal open source. However, the company that I work for is open source. Why did it not just load the page? I work for Sentry, and Sentry is open source. So in a way, I do get paid for open source, but it's not my open source, so. Got to do AMD because of Linux? Yeah, that makes sense, You wouldn't want those spooky proprietary drivers that don't always work. Welcome, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Apparently there's titanium powers. I don't know what that means. Titanium PSU. Oh. These look cool. Oh, those are fancy. Oh, power supplies. Power supplies are a thing that I've spent way too much time researching and then promptly forgetting everything that I know about them. 80 plus titanium. Yeah, that was the first link that I landed on. I don't know what that means, but it sounds cool. John Lincoln says, AMD makes sense because of Linux. I'm just happy that I'm on Windows so I can have that sweet 4090. I just love the the memes of where people have like photoshopped out like an window air conditioner, and it's like, ah, yes, this is the NVIDIA 10,090 or whatever, because they just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But yeah. Says, here for a minute, gotta head out. Welcome to Stupid Mondays, where I just hate everything. Understand? Better than platinum even. This is really energy efficient. Oh. 80 plus gold will tend to lose 10% of its energy to heat. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Flavio, thank you for the, or Flavio, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I guess now that I think about it, my PSU puts out lots of heat, so it is probably not even, well, I don't even know. I have no idea. I bought it so long ago that it can't possibly be that efficient. Says my server power supplies are 80 plus titanium. Oh, nice, nice. 4090 might be powerful, but damn, are those coolers overbuilt? I see. Too big for no reason. Okay, anyway, merge this. This is building away here, cool. And then bump, patch. Patch? Bump. Actually, let's make sure that we're actually at one version. Yeah, bump, it's technically a feature. Bump, minor. Although PyPI was not allowing uploads. I don't know if they've fixed that or not. We're gonna try it and hope. There's no way they blocked all uploads though, right? Surely not. Right? Shirley? Don't call me Shirley? It seems like it worked. Alright, cool. Is out of the way. Setup.py we, oh my god. I thought setup.py was gone. Oh no, it has garbage in here. Alright, well, we'll just give it the old remove the garbage from it. Oh, this do I have any permissions on this repo? I was able to close the PR, so surely. You see that Intel proposed x86S architecture, which is x86-64 but removing all the legacy 16 and 32-bit stuff. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. This has Pregment, right? Yeah. Let's start by auto updating. Get to the latest things. Cannot update because the target is missing. Oh, this is super old. GitHub PySQL Flake8. Try that again. Oh, we've got rev. I forgot how to YAML. I have no idea what the most recent version of auto pip8 or Pi upgrade is, so we're just gonna go to the latest. Center the Pi is outdated. What's the best way to set up a new project codebase that you want to be importable for the env? Asks real eigenvalues. Well, what I'm going to do is remove the remove the Python versions from there because they don't fucking matter, and rarely do they actually indicate the true support. What do you think about Flagate Bugbear? I think some of the rules in it are useful. I don't use it myself though. Pip install setup pi upgrade. Unparsable long description. That's because this is formatted wrong. Hooray! Hooray! Doesn't mean anything. Hooray! Oh, this song is a bop. But it loops. But that's fine. I think about ref. Well, I don't really want to talk about it. Why can't I post moderation settings? Ah, you're trying to use banned words. Why you can't post? Decided to read the paper that's included with my estrogen pills, switching over from gel, and I expect them to be sublingual. It's all beneath the tongue, but no, it seems I just need to swallow it. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Cool. Dogma says, is there a better way of initial virtualenv install, better than pip install virtualenv? Yes. That my video? Yeah, check out that video. Flavio says, sorry GitHub profile, I want to congratulate you on the projects you've created. In my own small way, I'm also trying to contribute to the open source community. Created a project 3 weeks ago, but I only got a few hundred stars? You got a few hundred stars in 3 weeks? That's insane! That's a lot. I don't think I've ever made a project that's gotten a few hundred stars in 3 weeks. So you must be doing something better than I am. Which is fine. I don't really care. I know what he's yeah, I know exactly what he's trying to post. Also, he posted what he's trying to post. Sebasnaga says all my projects have 0 stars. Yeah, that's basically where I'm sitting. Did this fuck things up? It did. Because of this. Let's see what it changed in Python files first. Okay, so we know we got rid of that. Oh hell yeah, F strings, let's go. We can just change that math. Four plus 4 plus 4. Oh shit. We're gonna bring him in again. I have 2.6k stars on a project? Yeah, but I made the project fucking years ago. Detail says gotta hit up my drug dealer. Sounds good, sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Walgreens? Yeah, I gotta go to Walgreens at some point too. Disto, welcome, welcome. Do. Rebels Coder, hello, how you doing? Grubhub stars, I don't know what those are. Why do you keep changing in here? Oh, why did it not remove : 2? That seems wrong. Should remove : 2 if not matching Python requires. I'll leave that open so I don't forget about it. Oh no, does this not have... Oh man. I don't even know what I use as my template for this. Inspector Diameter, hello, how you doing? You can post links, it's fine. On pull request push branches meh. JAWS main runs on Ubuntu latest strategy. No, is it matrix strategy? I don't know. Where do I look for this? Look at this one. That was strategy matrix. I had it right the first time. Strategy matrix. Pi 3.7, Pi 3.8, Pi 3.9. Oh, but we gotta do dumb shit because of I do it as a list. Great. 3.9, 3.10, 3.11, 5 by 3. Ten. Steps. Set it Python v3. Oh my god. With Python version matrix.py. Run pip install tux. Run tux. Did I fuck one of them up? This is why I would like to use my other thing instead. Because I have a thing that just automates this. Yeah, you're right. I have 2 3.9s. Why isn't there a pipe that makes a virtualenv setup that uses similar ideas to package JSON and Rust toml? Because Python doesn't work that way. Okay. What else am I missing? Building wheels and shit, we probably don't care about. Just have Chris set up Pregment CI. What is this used for? Don't need that. It's their shit. I assume this will work correctly, but I'm also not certain, but I also don't care. If Python 2. Oh, we could install code defaults. Oh, right. Griswa, how you doing? I might have already said hi to you, but hello again. Sammy D, hello as well. Some real old stuff. Oh. Rith XO says, how long did it take you to get used to that keyboard? That is answered in my FAQ. Check out the link here. Yeah, so it was pulling in Precommit because of, it was pulling in virtualenv because of Precommit. I had to explicitly list it. Why did I delete that? Oh, yeah, look at this. Oh, I can also get rid of this. What else? We could MyPy this. Let's, oh, wait, we're gonna Pragma. Yeah, that one, do I have code defaults for PyPy? Like I don't. Oh, I do. PyPy cover. Pragma less than 3.8 no cover? Is that how this works? one of these operators. So it should be cover. Or is it cover or is it no cover? Yeah. Try that. How long have you been doing this job? The one, my day job or open source stuff? My day job, I joined in the beginning of last year. So I've been there for a little bit over a year. Open source stuff I've been doing since 2014-ish. A decade in the coal mines. Oh right, we were gonna see if this finished. Oh, it did. Wow, doubters lose, believers win. Oh my god, none of you said yes. Does that mean you all lose your points? I hope that's what it means. Will the build succeed? Choose outcome yes. What happens? What happens in this case? 8K channel points awarded to 0 viewers. That's so funny. Nobody won. You all lost your points. Hersey Capilmus. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Christmas says, I would like to thank you for the videos you make because thanks to them, I got my first internship. Yo, congrats. That's awesome. Do release here. Wolfred is here. How you doing? Good to see you again. I'm doing well. Doing well. You just missed a prediction. 0 people predicted yes, and yes was the result. So these people all lost their channel points. Very funny. Oh fuck, what happened here? MyPy3 is unhappy. Why is it unhappy? Not a directory vmlib. That must just not understand the PyPy setup. Do. Interesting. Okay, we'll have to fix PyPy. Because it looks like it may be broken. Oh, I gotta do my GPG password. Copy and paste. That is definitely not my password. It is a little bit more than 1 character long. Paste. Looks like that'll work. How are you doing, Wilfred? How you been? How are things? Oh. Did I just disconnect? Or am I still here? Can you still see me? Which chat just warbled at me? Runbooks, refresh patches, Ubuntu, Focal. Okay, I like this song. It's looped enough times. We can go on to the next one. Get rebase, continue, exit 0. And then we will cherry pick these ones. We'll cherry pick this. 3 carrots. And then we'll release this one. I'm not even gonna bother building it because the Jimmy one succeeded. Surely it is fine. I wonder why this is mad. Oh, because it has no libpython. Interesting. Oh, because this is where the site packages lives in PyPy. That's right. I feel like that changed at some point. We'll have to figure out when it changed. Okay, deadsnakes is sort of done. Well, maybe look at the 3.13 stuff. Um. Is PyPy? What is this wrong? How do we? Oh, step path that join path lib underscore PyPy. Yeah, that's not a thing anymore. Hmm. Base libdir. Ah, when was this true? Let's see. Set up Python. PyPy. I feel like they just go to pypy.org. So we can just find an old enough PyPy. I feel like this is the PyPy 2 era, so this isn't gonna be easy. It's gonna be a lot of work. Base libdir. Matcher. Site packages. Path if is PyPy else libdir. Libdir. Should just always be libdir. This goes away. Is PyPy is no longer used. I shouldn't have committed that. Well, that's fine. I'm pretty sure it fixes it, but we'll see. Wow, chat, you've gone quiet. What's going on? Is it because we're in the zone? Making things happen. This is where it starts failing. We'll get. Oh, fuck. That's a crazy error message. What happened here? Just Marsha catching a stray bonk there. Nice. Okay, so I need to set up Python 3.13 next. My friend Chris is doing exactly the same thing I'm doing right now. But I'm probably doing it better. I'm just kidding. Okay, what's their message here? Not a directory. VM lib python octothorpe. Oh, because our detection for PyPy is wrong. Yeah, we don't actually know that. We could do this. That seems more reliable. John MV1, hello, how you doing? Path must be string bytes, OS-like or integer, or none, not list. Why is binder a list? Did I pass in the wrong thing down here? Oh. Yeah. I fucked up. Fucking tired, and you? I've also had a long day, but I'm streaming, so I'm having fun. Do 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 do. Okay, I think this is gonna work. Oh. PyPy. You can find the rest of the note covers in here. Oh, that's the only one. You run this. merged that already. Auto update day is chugging along. It's not going to be a big auto update day though. But that's the way things go. Please be green. These tests are kind of slow. And Chris says I can drop 3.7 also, so I'm gonna do that as well. Oh sweet, that worked. Set these to 3.8. We'll set you to 3.8. And pipe grade should do its magic. That's so good. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so good. Code dot replace. CO file name equals new path. CO const equals const. .3.13, I'm getting old? Yeah. Well, as soon as beta happens in the next version, then the next thing happens. Did I run 3.7 like an idiot? No, I ran 3.10. Oh, I'll probably have to call tuple. I think I have to call tuple on this. Yep. Fixter Jank! Hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Jumping said, had some fun at work today. Investigating a memory stomp, so need to move from a custom alloc to the Microsoft provided one. So we can check for out of bounds writes. Oh. A bug due to short string optimizations. I've seen that bug before. Anything planned for 3.13? I don't know. I know they're gonna delete a bunch of stuff, but just got back from a week and a half off from moving. Didn't really want to log in this morning. Oh, I would have just taken the day off. Although, isn't it like one of your first days? So maybe that's not the best. But yeah. Nice. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is gonna succeed now, so we're just gonna Control C this. Drop Python 3.7 as well. And then can you change the branch to main or and see if Chris has the permissions. Getting into the on-call rotation next week for the first time in my career. Damn. That's real quick. So this should just be PyPy stuff now. Should we get cocky and try and do MyPy as well? Let's see how much work it's gonna be. Oh, it's not that long. React to S3 starting January 1st, and here I am. Nice. My boss had it as a want from the VP because we're somewhat understaffed. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, so we're gonna have to deal with all the untyped things. Stir none. Stir to none. Match. Stir to stir. Stir to bool. Stir to none. Stir. Bool to none. Is stir to none. Ooh, I don't know what that type is. Is it in types? Code type. Yep. Should be stir to none. Oh, this should be stir. Stir to none. Lots of side effects. Stir also to none. None. Stir to stir. Yep. This is not needed. Stir, binder, stir, libders, list stir, site packages, stir, orig path, stir. From future, this has to come here. Stir to virtualenv. Sequence stir or none. You should be int. I doubt it returns int. Oh, it does. Look at that. How mad is my pie? I think I should be mad first. Collections imported. Oh, code type is already there. Named tuple and sequence and oh, save this error and just do that. Let's see what my paths do now. Oh my god, so much. 74. Wealthy Goose, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This must be bytes then. Not stir. Why is it bytes? I don't know. Oh, because it got encoded here. we'll do this. That way it is not clobbering the values. On top of the 4 gig it uses for the check, it also slows the game down to 2 to 5 FPS. Oh my god. 40 gigs, right. Incompatible type buffered writer. Variable has type buffered reader. Oh. 214. Alright, this should be virtualenv. And my bypasses. Look at that. And my pie. And my pie checking. Nice. Okay, added my pie, cool. Blah blah blah, my pie stuff. Fix pie. And they have a reason to have 128 gigs of RAM? Nice. Oh, we forgot to do that. Jake says, I'm taking over a Django project that was previously worked on by a single person. I threw my normal formatters and linters at it. I'm going to be working on that for a while. Yeah. Yeah. That is usually what I do when I take over a project. As you can, I guess, kind of see here. Chris told me that he does not have permission to do the things that I asked him to do, so I'll just have to trust. Okay. This will be good enough when Chris can review it. Modernize packaging and fix pie. Oh god, I have sent this to the wrong place. Drop Python 3 point less than equal 3.7. Fix pie3. Add my pie. I mean, those are the 3 commits, right? Yeah, sure, that looks good enough. Draft PR and make sure that it actually looks good. Trusting people sounds horrible. Well, Chris is trustworthy, but the Yelp security team, smile. I started doing it all at once, but it was just a bit too much, so I'm gonna do bit by bit. As much as I'd love to rip it all apart, yeah. Or I would do like 1 linter at a time. What are you mad about? Oh, I have the wrong versions? Probably. This is probably, this one's 3 and this one's 4. And I'm racing the clock because I gotta leave in a few minutes. So hopefully this succeeds, and then I will send it to Chris, and then I will be on my way. I just want to see one of these succeed. This is probably the most likely one to succeed first. Android has totally said fuck you if you use their alert dialogues, which is why those can't be theme changed anymore. Oh, nice. Are you fucking kidding me? What are you mad about? Exception stir failed. I did change that. While my pieing things. Is that not how this works? Oh, fucking A. It just changes the value error. OS error has other things attached to it. Yeah. Right. Right, because OS error is fucking weird. We can race them here. This song's also looping. Oh, as is the next song. Mr. Friday Evening, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Welcome. Yeah. We are not going to be able to get to 3:13 today, unfortunately. So we'll have to wait for another stream. But thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. Pivo Dev LPR, welcome. How you doing? Pipes. Yeah. This isn't needed anymore either. Rebay me. Did I fuck up Schlex? No, I got it right. Alright, we'll run it locally this time before yeeting it off to CI. Shellx, yeah. Yeah. Schlex is the funny word. Okay, that's green, but we're gonna make it more green. So that someone else doesn't complain about pipes and Schlex. And the warning here. Wait. All right, Mike, that is ready for you. Cool. All right, well, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Let me do my little spiel, then we'll send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel once a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Sometimes more than that. We'll see. If you missed any part of the stream, you can catch up on those on the second channel, the VODs channel, at anthonywritescode-vods. They no longer go up on Twitch because of DMCA shenanigans, so check that out there. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. Next stream, I'm probably gonna be on vacation because it is a holiday, and I'm planning to go away. But I normally announce what I'm gonna work on, and then we do it on both the Twitter and the Discord. If you want to join the Discord, it's a fun little Discord. There's a beginner's channel if you want to ask programming questions, and then there's a bunch of other fun social channels as well if you want to hang out and have a good time. But that's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.